Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It has been a very long time since I sat down and filmed a video, and I honestly have no excuse. You know, my life has just been a bit hectic over the last little while. I've been traveling on and off, so I've worked a lot, so I haven't really had a chance to sit down and film a video. So today I'm not at work, I'm not doing anything, so I said I need to sit down and film this video because if I don't, I will never do it. So before I continue rambling, let's just stop and jump right into the video. Okay, so the last time I did a hair care routine, I guess, a hair care products review was about 10 months ago when I first started using my Aveda products when my hair started to really fall out. It has been about 10 months, like I said, since I started using those products, and honestly, I can tell you right now, I stopped using them. Not because they weren't good products, but because they were on the very expensive side. They're very good. I'm going to put that right out there. They're amazing products, and I noticed a change in my hair within, I would say, the first 2 months of using it. So then I went again and I purchased them 2 more times. But then they add up, you know, and the price, you know, starts to add up, and it's a lot. So then I started to hunt down for other products and other, you know, natural remedies for my hair to stop falling out and for my hair to grow back and blah blah blah. And I think I narrowed it down to something that works best for my scalp and for my hair texture, because my hair texture is very, like, it's not dry naturally, but it feels dry. It's very, like, it's not like you would run your hand through it and it's like all soft and silky. So that's been the issue with that. So I did a lot of research and I found a lot of products and a lot of, you know, products that contain castor oil. And, you know, then I saw a lot of people say, okay, you know, that's a myth, it doesn't work, blah blah. But then I went ahead and, as a coincidence, I went to Winners or Marshalls or whatever you guys know it as, and I found a hair mask, and it's this Nature's Spirit. It's made with castor oil and it's pro-growth hair mask. Helps healthy hair grow, hydrates, volumizes, and nourishes my hair. And I put it on my hair after I shampoo, and I leave it on for about 7 minutes. And I usually focus more on the tips, but I also add a little bit up here just so I can soften up my hair. I don't like scrub it into my scalp, but I do put it just on my hair so it kind of softens up the hair. And I've honestly been loving it. I've been using it now for 4 months. I started in November, so 3 months, 4 months, around that time. And it's really helped me. It stopped my hair from falling as much as it did before. My hair feels very nourished and soft and silky the way I always wanted it to be. So I'm gonna continue using this because I highly recommend it. It's really good, and it really helped prove to me that castor oil is indeed good for your hair. I don't believe in miracles for your hair to grow back and stuff like that, but I do believe in products that help your hair grow back stronger and feel healthier. But there's no product in this world that's gonna magically heal your hair, or it's magically gonna make your hair grow overnight. There's no such thing. It takes a lot of care and it takes a lot of time to really understand what your body needs in order for your hair to be healthy. That's just what I learned. And then just recently, maybe 3 weeks ago, I went back to Marshalls and I was looking through the hair products because I needed one more of this. And beside this, I found these 2 products. It was just in a box, and it's the Oleology Natural Beauty Oils. It's the castor oil leave-in treatment. This one right here, and then the castor oil curl reviver. I have never in my life heard of this company before. So the castor oil, the leave-in treatment, it has ultra restorative properties, helps renew and restore your hair. It's high in omega fatty acids. It helps prevent breakage while leaving hair shiny, soft, and frizz-free. So what I do with this, I spray it on. It's kind of like, it's a spray, but it's like thicker liquid. It's not like just watery. So I spray it on my hair from my scalp to my roots, and I brush it through with my hands, not with a brush because I don't like brushing my hair when it's wet. I always brush it before I hop in the shower. So I'll brush it through, I'll like run my hands through it when I put the product in, and then I'll let it air dry or diffuse it. And then when my hair is fully dry, if the curls haven't bounced back because I have run my hands through it, then I'll go in with the curl reviver and I'll just spray it all over my hair, and I'll like scrunch it up. So basically this feels like a hairspray on your hair. It's just not sticky. So it's like, it helps your curls kind of just lock into place and it won't fall off. And what I notice is that with this curl reviver, I only wash my hair once or max twice a week. That's it. So with this curl reviver, I can get my hair looking fabulous up until the 5th day, which I love because especially if I'm not washing my hair that often, I need it to look okay. So I'll run some water through it in the morning, scrunch it up, and then an hour later before I head out anywhere, I'll add some of the curl reviver and I'll scrunch up my hair, and all of a sudden the curls are back, not like looking natural. The only lucky thing about my hair is that it never is never greasy. When I reach maybe day 5 or 6, that's when it starts kind of looking a little dirty, but I can manage to push it for another 2 days if I'm watering it or adding dry shampoo and stuff like that. So these castor oil products have been my lifesaver as of right this moment. When I'm not using the curl reviver like this one on a day-to-day basis, and if I'm going to an event or going out with my friends and I'm showering, I'll stick with my Marc Anthony curl enhancer. I love it. This has been my go-to curl enhancer for a while. I've used to use Avita, but again, I said it can add up, so I only buy Avita once in a blue moon when I'm really feeling adventurous. But this Stricted Curls by Marc Anthony, it's like a curl defying lotion. I've talked about it before. I really highly recommend it. It's really good, and it doesn't really like make my hair sticky or gross, and it still feels soft to the touch. And then one more thing I use every single morning when I wake up. This is the only product that I still continuously use by Avita because I've had lots of luck with it. It's the Dry Remedy Daily Moisturizing Oil, which is this little guy right here, and it comes in a bottle like this. And I really love it. Like, it helps my ends, so I don't really have a lot of breakage right now because of that product. My hair is so short I can't even see it. Like, I haven't had a haircut in 2-3 months now, and my hair used to break often, especially if I hadn't cut it in a while. But honestly, there's like legit no breakouts. There's legit no like breakage on my hair because of this product. But that's kind of like my hair routine as of this moment right now. I try to stay away from heat. I don't really straighten my hair. I don't really curl my hair. Sometimes when like my hair just doesn't want to cooperate and I'm in a hurry, I'll plug in my like curling iron and I'll fix up some curls and stuff like that. But I don't actually fully straighten my hair as much anymore, or I don't even blow dry it. You know, I prefer washing my hair hours before I have to go somewhere, just so it can air dry, and it looks nicer air dried in my opinion. But even blow drying it, or using any type of heat on it can damage it so fast. And I didn't really realize that, but growing up I straightened my hair so often that it looked so damaged and so bad, and it took me so long to figure out a routine for my hair. And then when I finally did find a routine for my hair, I started to lose all my hair. So that was kind of a bummer because I was kind of getting into this phase. But now it's growing back and I'm happy, and I'm trying to find another routine for it. Well, I kind of did, but I'm trying to get used to this length for right now. And I do like it, especially when, you know, now that I've figured out a way to style it in a way that I do like. Other than that, it's just, honestly, you have to be patient, especially when, you know, you're on a budget. If you're not on a budget, then fine, go for the expensive, you know, products that will help your hair enormously. But also, if you look for products like this, like cheaper, lower end quality, you know, you might be surprised at how well they work. Because I was always afraid, am I gonna buy like low quality stuff from like just, you know, drugstores, and they're not gonna work and they're gonna damage my hair more. But I took a risk, and my risk paid off, because honestly, like, I couldn't be happier. I really couldn't. I think I'm gonna stick with this routine for a while, see how it really works combined, because I really only started combining like the mask with like these products recently. So I want to kind of see how it does maybe 3 months from now, because you know, you should start seeing a difference within the first 2 months of using certain products. So I'm gonna probably film another review video and an update video in about 3 months time, just so I can give it time to see if it works or not, and then I guess kind of go from there and see where this whole journey with my hair takes me, because I had such a struggle with figuring it out and figuring out where my, oh, I can't even explain it, but my hair has always been this thing that I was like confident about, even when I was on my heaviest weight. And then, you know, I started to lose weight and gaining more confidence, and then with that my hair started to fall out, and I was just very frustrated and very angry, and you know, it took me a long time to accept it, and I don't think I've accepted it even to this day, but I think I've gotten to a point where I'm learning to accept it, I guess. But honestly, that is pretty much it for this hair care products update, I guess, because my hair care at this moment is very simple. You know, I use 3 products on a daily basis, and that's about it. Not even, I use maybe, actually I only use this on a daily basis, the oil. The rest is just when I shower, so, or like the reviver when I'm going somewhere. But other than that, it's honestly like all these products together just kind of go once a week. So I will definitely try to film an update video in a few months and see, kind of let you guys know actually where I'm at with my hair journey, I guess. But thank you so much for watching today's video, and I apologize again for being away for so long. But I will see you guys in my next video, and if you guys did enjoy today's video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to get notified when I do post, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.